Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a JavaScript to accept two numbers from the user and try to find the largest among these two numbers, that is integer numbers. So that is the problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So this is my Windows command prompt and I am into this particular directory, that is public JavaScript. So let us create a HTML file, that is let's say let's take notepad and try to create a largest dot html. So this is my html file that I'll have the javascript and I'll be running it. So notepad, do you want to create a new file? Let's say s, and we have to add a script tag over here. So script, so closing the script using the slash script. So this is a HTML tag that runs a script. So now what we do is we try to add the JavaScript over here. So let's take value, that is variable a and b, and ask a user to enter two numbers. So let a is equals to, let's prompt the user and ask a user, that is enter first integer and close it with a semicolon. Yeah, so once the user enters, so it will be of string type. So let us convert it into a integer type. So let's say parse int. So this is the first integer that we get. So let me copy paste the same and enter it. So let b equals to, so let's take another variable b and enter second integer. Yeah, so once the user enters two values, so let's check if these are right values or not. For that, I'll be using if statement to check is nan. So is nan a, or if the user entered an invalid number. So then we try to print an error message and exit the program. So is nan, what you do is document dot write and try to print invalid numbers entered. So let's say invalid numbers entered. Yeah, so this is for the invalid scenario or the failure scenario where string has been entered by the user. So now what we do is we take a else if block and try to check if the value of a is greater than b. So then what we do is we try to print a is the largest. So let me use document dot write. So you can also use console dot log, but in order to print the output onto the page, HTML page, so I am using document dot write. So what we do is largest among, let's take the value of a, let's give some space, plus b plus, so let's print a string is colon and try to print the value of a. So this for the, that is a statement is for the if value of a is greater than b. So now let's take an else block and try to print value of b is greater if these two are false. So let's copy paste and let's try to print the value of b in the else. So this is the method, or this is the JavaScript code to accept two integers and try to find the largest among these two integer values. So let me save this and execute it. Save and closing it. So let's use Explorer largest.html. So enter the first integer. So let's give invalid numbers. Let's say string, and the second number is 23. So you can see invalid numbers entered. So let's again run it using by pressing the F5 and let's give 5 and let's give 10. So largest among 5 and 10 is 10. So let's again re-execute it. So let's give something like that is 90 and 23. So you can see largest among 90 and 23 is 90. Yeah, so let me open the notepad. Yeah, so this is a complete JavaScript to actually take two integers from the user and try to check if it is invalid or valid numbers, and try to check the largest among these two integers. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.